The World Health Organization is hoping to end inequitable distribution of vaccines through the newly launched mRNA hub in Cape Town. COVID-19 highlighted the need for production in Africa after developed countries were accused of hoarding vaccines at the height of the pandemic. Newzroom Afrika reporter Nasiphi has more for you tonight.
It's all systems go following the launch of the mRNA vaccine hub in Cape Town. The World Health Organization believes the technology transfer program will address the problem of vaccine equity between rich and poor countries, as seen during the coronavirus pandemic.
I think we should use the bigger market opportunities we have, regional and continental. One opportunity for this is the Africa's free trade zone. That's a political commitment of all leaders. But sad to say that still intra-Africa trade is only 10%. Maximum 12%, someone can. And if Africa doesn't trade among itself, imagine with this big market, then whatever initiative you start to address the equity problems in this continent, it won't work. So the policy alignment should be for the preferential procurement, not only at the country level, but should be at the regional and continental level. And it's that scale of economy that can create the platform or a conducive environment for infant industries to grow.
Africa currently imports 99% of its vaccines and 72% of all medicines.
So that we are able to facilitate quicker platform to also have other types of drugs that are produced here. We are not only doing it for South Africa, it's also going to assist the whole of the African continent and hopefully also benefit the rest of the developing world. And this directly actually comes out of our experiences with COVID-19, that some of the developed countries were hoarding their own vaccine.
The initiative was established a year and a half ago. Afrogen Biologics says its technology platform will be shared with over a dozen companies in 15 countries on 4 continents.
We have a first mRNA vaccine in preclinical development to validate the facility. In other words, we are validating a platform before we transfer it to all our partners. So what we do is we put the print of the pathogen that causes the disease, we put it in mRNA and we send it into the body, and the body makes its own defense. So this is very different from live virus platforms. This is a safe, rapid way to make vaccines.
Africa's ability to address infectious diseases looks bright due to the project.
Over and above infectious disease, what the scientists are telling us is that they also could even have vaccines against some of the cancers.
Other mRNA vaccine hubs will be established in countries like Egypt, Kenya, Senegal and Tunisia. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Nasiphi in Cape Town.